Hey guys, Justin here again from Simplified Investing. I really wanted to put together a video into why I don't swing trade and ultimately a few reasons why and some things that are nice about swing trading that I wanted to go through and for you guys to figure out if it is the right thing for you. So I will first get into it. I get this question a lot. Do you swing trade? And the answer is no, I do not. I do not swing trade options for several reasons, which I will mention to you. I have found success in day trading scalping stocks. I have tried swing trading before, and to me, it just wasn't as consistent as you'd like to see, as you can find with day trading. And I will run through those right away, or reasons why I don't swing trade right away. The first thing that I don't like about swing trading is the fact of consistency. You can't truly find consistency holding these options through the night, whether it be over the weekend, over the night, for 1 week, 2 weeks, whatever it might be. It is hard to predict a longer term time frame movement of these underlyings. Now, are there technicals and signals that can lead you to an idea of where the stock might head? Of course, that's what every day trader uses as well. However, as any trader knows or anybody knows, those aren't going to be 100% accurate, leaving for that consistency problem that you can see when swing trading options. The next thing, and one of the biggest reasons why I don't trade options, is going to be time decay. So as you guys know, these options do have something called theta, which is essentially how much your option contract will lose overnight. So not only do you have time working against you, you also have the stock that could potentially move against you or move with you. And that truly is just a double-edged sword that is going to be working against you if you are holding these positions for a long term. So that's why I tell people, if you are swing trading, you gotta play it smart. And that leads into another thing with swing trading, in that it's really tough to do. Not only do you have that time decay, you also have an increased overnight risk. Whether this be high premiums, market meeting, or a meeting with OPEC, or back when we had the China trade war talks, those overnight risks are just something that you can't get over, and it's ultimately something that, as a swing trader, you have to be cautious of, especially the Fed meetings and things like that. Those are events that no one really knows the definite way the market will move, so those are an added risk too when you are swing trading options. And another thing too is going to be high premiums. There are a lot of high premiums in the market now, essentially meaning that when you're swing trading these positions, the market anticipates a large move. So when you do buy these options, it's really hard to find ones, say, that you are going to pay off, since the market already does anticipate these big moves. So that's another reason why it is really tough. And the last reason that I really wanted to touch on is people playing option contracts within the same week. So what that basically does is people will play the option contract of the same week and ultimately hold on one side of the position and not hold any, whether this be a hedge, playing light, whatever it might be. People just play these high-risk options that expire the same week and put their entire account into this one position. That's the first thing that we teach on our course, is you have to have proper account management to see success when you're trading. You can't go into these positions and trade just all in one trade in the same week expiration. You have to have proper account management if you're going to be swing trading and if this is something that you like. Now, I'm not saying swing trading you can't become profitable. It's just not as consistent as I'd like to see for something that I would endeavor. So now I'll go through a few things that can help you guys personally if you are swing trading. So they are going to be, as I just mentioned, they are beneficial if you do have proper account management and you do hedge. So whether this be, say you are long SPY calls or something, you could be, say, long TLT calls or long GLD calls or whatever it might be, or short GLD calls, or even short one contract of a SPY put. Either way, having an edge on both sides will help you, especially in these volatile times in the market. You can capture a big move on either side that can offset the loss from the other side. And that goes into the next thing, They do help capture a bigger move, in essence, a bigger profit. As you guys know, the market has been moving a lot recently after hours, and you can really capture this move with these stocks, whether it be pre-market or aftermarket. You can potentially see a bigger reward from holding overnight, but it's ultimately the risk that's involved too from holding overnight, whether this be like the overnight risks that we mentioned before or these high premiums. It's ultimately a way off that you have to take into consideration if you're going to be swing trading. Another key thing that people really like swing trading for is less time. You don't have to monitor these positions really close. You can simply get in a position and check it once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, whatever it might be. Ultimately, you don't have to watch it as close as you would. Say you have a busy day at work, you don't have to watch this position. So if this is your case, swing trading is definitely going to be the route that is best for you. And the last thing, they are easier to trade than day trading. They don't require as many technicals, level 2, volume, price action, things like this, that day trading does. So they are easier to start and get used to. And I'm like I mentioned before, I simply don't trade them because they aren't as consistent as I would like. Can you find consistency when trading options overnight? Of course you can. There's always going to be people that can find consistency, and this might be for you. Simply if you don't have enough time to watch your positions all day, for example, swing trading is definitely going to be the best route for you. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and as always, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would help greatly. We are doing a big giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for that. And if you could head to simplifiedinvesting.site today and check out our team, we'd love to have you on board. Thank you.